Okay, I lied. I'm not doing fireplace first. I'm doing registers and diffusers. And I'm going to start with the second floor because that's what I've got up here right now. So you want to open your reflected ceiling plan of the second floor, not the ceiling plan of the second ceiling, but the second floor ceiling plan. Okay, and we're going to load a couple of different ones, and you get this return grill with trim ceiling mounted. Excuse me, and those are in mechanical, MEP, air side, air terminals, and I scrolled in here, and what I got was return grill with trim. Let's get the trim piece around it there. Okay, I brought that one in, and I also brought in return register floor mounted. Got that one in. And then you want this one supply register rectangle floor mounted. And I think I brought that one in. I'm not sure about that one yet. I haven't looked on the first floor yet. But you want to bring those in. And then I had to edit the return grill. I edited it to make it a 14 by 6. Okay, and that's the size of your duct opening. So these return air openings here were all 14 by 6. And so that's the sizes that you make it, 14 by 6, okay? And then it adds the trim around the outside of it, okay? Now I'm going to work on the supply because they're going to work kind of the same. So let me go to supply diffuser. I don't want the floor mounted. I think this is what I want here. I haven't played with this one yet. Oh, no, that is not what we want. We don't want that. Maybe that's what we want. Okay. A supply grill perforated rectangular face 10 by 4. And ours are, yeah, 10 by 4s. Okay. And so I'm in my second floor plan here, and let's nope, that one didn't work. It's on the well, there's another one on the floor from a while ago. I'll have to move my section line. Well, okay, with these, the return air ones, I'll go ahead and show you that one first. Return grill with trim, ceiling mounted. This is the one that I recreated, okay? And I'm on my reflected ceiling plan, and we want to go place on face. And you just go for, you look for the snap. And it didn't snap because one's a supply and one's a return. But you look for the snap at the midpoint of the opening, okay? And then it'll pop it there. So let me pull this down so I can see what's going on there. Okay, and so see, here's the one that I put in, the supply diffuser. And I don't know why it's down, but it should be up on the ceiling level. Oh, because I had one of those in already. That's weird. That's weird. It put one in and then it put a second one down below. That's goofy. But there it is right there. Hmm. Befuddles me. Okay. Now I did run into an issue when I went to my reflected ceiling plan in that I put a duct out here in that uh, drop down over the window, and it shows it in there clearly, but I didn't even see it. So we have to move that up. So let's pull over. Excuse me. Okay, and so now we've got to actually move that up so that the bottom of it sticks through there. Let me see. Can I do an alignment? Bingo. Okay. I think it's because my cutting plane doesn't pick that up there on this. I think we're going above the view range on it. And the same way on, excuse me, same way on my reflected ceiling plan. Oh, that's not what I want. Wet. Okay, there we go. Okay, and so now we'll want to put an air terminal. Go rotate after placement. Okay. I don't know why these are not showing up. And then we'll have to apply our offset. It's just kind of weird the way some of these work. Um, I'm getting a little, I'm getting a little scared. It crashed a while ago. Excuse me, and I lost a lot of. Come on, 1 foot. Okay. All right, so it's not a minus. All right. Okay. All right, so that got that one done. And then as you place these, you'll have to just check them all in the section view and make sure that they're lining up right. Okay, now let's go to the first floor. Mechanical plan. And you're just going to have to remember, so I've already got a couple of them put in. Let me get my drawing over here. Okay, so I've got a 4x10 that's going to go right here. Let me get my section view set up already. And so that's this one right here that we're going to work on. Okay. Be this one right here. All right, so we're going to go terminal. And this is the, supply register rectangle floor mounted. Sorry. And if there's not a 10x4, you have to edit and create it. Okay. And you go place on face. We can go rotate after placement, get the point snap. Okay. And so see that placed it. And then we want to go to our section view. And check it out and make sure it's sitting on top of our finished floor, just like that right there. Okay. So, but let me back up. What I didn't tell you is I turned floors back on here on the, I went back to my visibility graphics and I turned flooring back on so that it shows up in here, and then you can place, because these things are floor hosted. And those will work now. For the basement, I think we can use the same ones we used on the second floor. I will try those and then report back to you and see how that goes.